Hello and welcome to my first ever video. This channel is now named Layns Toy Review, but for my first video, I will give you a craft to make something that I made. Oh, and I've got new merch. You can now get a sled like this, but it'll be something else. If you want to get what I have, you need to make it. So we have the sled that you can use as a puck game. And I just thought of, board game. And now you can, hold on. Okay, and now you can get both of them for only $5.99 together in a pair. Oh, and I would like to point out, you can get the Oh Dear shirt at Walmart. So, let's get into it. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's basically, here's a look inside. So, it's basically one of those games where you can set stuff up and you're supposed to charge at them. I'll be playing this off camera real quick. Well, seriously, on camera. And I will choose red to go with, since there's 4 of these. We're really lucky because this comes in all mousetrap sets, and these are just stuff from mousetrap. So